First step, visit the CMU website at www.cityofmalabonuniversity.edu.ph. Click Registrar. Then, click How to become a CMU student. Click Apply now. Welcome to CMU Online Admission. Applicants should read the following instructions before applying. Step 4. Scan your documents and save them as JPEG or .jpg or .png. Click Apply now. I confirm to the CMU Data Privacy in compliance with Data Privacy Act of 2012. Step 1. Please fill all mandatory fields carefully. Fill out all required personal information. Select date of birth, year, month and day. Click OK. Contact information. Make sure to provide valid email address to receive updates from your application. Family information. Educational background. Program choice. Please check the box if applicant is transferee. Applicant documents. Upload applicant formal picture. Please attach your scanned documents. PSA or NSO. Voter's certificate or parent voter's ID. Applicant report card. Submit the application. Please review your information before clicking the Submit button. Submit the application. I hereby certify that the above statements are true and correct to the best of my knowledge. I understand that a false statement may disqualify me for benefits. Make sure to copy and save your application number. Save your username and password. Click Save. Save your application stub as .pdf file and print a copy. To check your application progress, visit reg.cityofmalabonuniversity.edu.ph. Use your application number as username and enter your password to log in. Press Ctrl plus F5 to refresh. All application progress can be found on your account. Also check your registered valid email address for notifications. Your examination schedule will display once your application was validated by the registrar.